What is up, YouTube? Welcome to video number 2 of my 3-part walkthrough series for Sharesies, taking you guys from signing up all the way through to investing and automating your investing for the future. However, in today's video, we're going to be making our first investment, okay? So showing you what to do when making that investment. Now, obviously, I'm going to have a disclaimer that anything that you see or that I invest in this video, take it with a grain of salt, okay? So I don't go out of my way giving financial advice. That's not what I'm here for. I'm purely here for the entertainment of seeing my investing and the education that you can get from it using the platform. But before we jump into my computer, I would like to ask you guys, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and if you enjoy the video, hit the like button as well. And if you've got any questions at the end, that's what the comment section is for, so hit me up and I'll be sure to get back to you. Now, like I said at the start of the video, this is episode number 2. If you haven't seen episode number 1 and you haven't even signed up to Sharesies yet, then I highly recommend it. So I'm going to leave a little link for that somewhere around here or in the description below. But in the time of filming this video, there is a Sharesies sign up bonus. So if you use the link down in the description below, you will get $10 and I will get $5. It's a win-win bonus. But if you do miss out and you're watching this video at a later date, then I'm sorry for that. However, if you do want to show support to the channel, I will still get that $5 if you use the link below. But if you've already been through the sign up process or you already know how to do that, then let's jump into my computer and we'll get started. So currently we're logged into the Sharesies account. We can have a look here. This is my portfolio and we can see at the very top we have added funds. So in the last video, I showed you guys how you can add money to your wallet. And now that we have the money in our wallet, we can now start spending it or investing it, I should say, into funds. So if we head over to the left hand side here, we have the invest tab, and we can invest in 2 types of sections here. We have funds, which are a group of shares or bonds or anything like that, or ETFs. And then on the right hand side, we have companies, so individual companies that you might want to invest in. If you are a beginner, this is how I started. I started with funds, okay? So a little bit lower risk in terms of the investment, as your money is invested into a collective of companies. So if one is to go down, then generally there's one to go up. So it kind of balances itself out. And so we can have a look here in these funds. We can have a nice little browse at all the different funds here, and we can actually just click into them and see what's going on. So if we have a look just up, let's go to the top here. What we got is the New Zealand Top 10 Fund. So this gives you a little overview of the fund. It tells you what it's all about. And then if we scroll down, we can see the history of it. So we can go through 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, and 5 years. And we can scroll along here. So this little pink dot here, this is when you made a purchase at that price. So my last purchase of the New Zealand Top 10 was at $1.87 or 1875, and you can see it's kind of made gradual dips. It's gone up, it's gone down, it's gone up, it's gone down, and so you can have a look here, but obviously in the grand scheme of things, it has continuously been on the rise. However, like I said, we've got $150, so I'm going to go ahead. This is a fund that I don't currently own, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down and I'm going to buy it. And so to do so, we can have a look at everything here. I have already had a nice look at this fund. It looks pretty good. And we can see down here, it tells you how you can make money. So we've got the price increase or the appreciation of the shares. And then we have dividends as well. So it pays out a 3.738% dividend yield. So to do so now, what we're going to do is we're going to click on invest, and we're going to put in how much we want to invest. So I'm just going to put $50 in this one. Now, if you're investing your full amount of the wallet, you can just click invest now and it will do it for you. But because we still have $100 left over, I'm going to click the add to cart button. Now, it is going to take you through this, so you can read through this and the terms and conditions and everything like that. I already know these ones. I've already read through it. So we're going to click on I accept. So the NZ Property Fund, it did take a little bit of a dip, as we can see here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit more money in and buy into this dip. So I'm going to click on invest. And what I will do is I'll just put $30 into this one. So it's super, super easy to use this platform. Like, I can't believe how easy it is. We just go ahead and just add all the different things that we want. And now with the rest of our money, I'm going to go and invest it into a company so you guys can have a look at this overview. So this shows us all the companies. There's actually a lot, so I'm not going to go through them already, but I do know exactly what I want to invest in. Now, once we've added all those funds or companies to our cart, we can go into the top right-hand corner here. We can click on the cart and it gives us one last overview of our order. So we can see how much we've got in it. The total is $150. out of our remaining $150 is 0. So we click on invest. We go through, one last time, we're just going to confirm the order, just like that. Click confirm, and it's done. That is confirmed. Now, it is actually Saturday now that I'm filming this, so it's probably not going to go through till about Monday, until the market opens. However, that was just a video showing you what to do. We can see here now it has a nice little watermark here saying buying $50. So it just tells you that basically means that it's pending. Okay, so when you see that there, it just means that your investment is pending. And then once your investment is made, then it will clear up and it will look like these ones all around here. It really is that easy with using the Sharesies platform. All the fees are included, all their dividend, the tax, everything like that is all included in this big final price that we see at the top here. However, that is all for today's video. I do hope you guys learned a lot from it, and it has actually encouraged you to make your first investment. Okay, obviously there always is risks in investing, but at the end of the day, if you're looking at the long term, then it's great to get started as early as possible. Okay, so even if you got kids, create a kids account. Sharesies can do that for you. However, if you're older than that and you want to manage your own portfolio, then the first video, like I said at the start, that shows you the sign up process. This video is showing you how to invest, and in the next one, I'm going to show you guys how we can automate our investing. That is by using the automation tool, which is right here, Auto Invest. And also the new one that just came in is introducing limit orders to your thing. So buying and selling at a certain market price. However, that is all from me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.